An AI presenter could refer to a system or software that utilizes artificial intelligence to assist in creating and delivering presentations. This could include features such as automatic slide generation, content suggestions, speech recognition, natural language processing, and even virtual or robotic avatars capable of delivering presentations on behalf of a human presenter. It's worth noting that while AI can be used to enhance various aspects of presenting, such as content generation and delivery, the ultimate goal is to support and augment human presenters rather than replacing them entirely. AI technologies can provide valuable assistance in creating engaging and impactful presentations, but human creativity, critical thinking, and communication skills remain essential in delivering an effective presentation.
When shopping for oral health products, the best rule of thumb is to look for the ADA seal of acceptance. This seal, awarded by the American Dental Association, means that the product has been rigorously tested and approved by scientists in fields like microbiology, toxicology, pharmacology, and chemistry.
Depending on your specific situation, your dentist may make personalized product recommendations. Ask your dentist which products are right for you.
Oral health care is more than just having a beautiful smile. It plays a significant role in our overall health. Poor oral hygiene can lead to various dental issues, such as tooth decay, gum disease, and bad breath. Moreover, emerging research suggests a connection between oral health and systemic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Taking care of our teeth and gums is vital for a healthy and happy life. Taking care of our oral health is a simple yet crucial aspect of our overall well-being. By practicing good oral hygiene, maintaining a healthy diet, and visiting our dentist regularly, we can keep our smiles bright and enjoy better oral and overall health. Let's prioritize our oral health today for a happier and healthier future.
To get started, head over to the website of the AI presenter tool we'll be using today. I've provided the link in the video description below. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface like this. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign up for an account. Don't worry, it's completely free. And before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more updating video tutorial like this. So let's go to the world of AI.
Are you ready to unlock the power of your imagination and breathe life into your very own AI avatar? Look no further, for Colossian Creator is here to unleash your wildest dreams and turn them into virtual reality. With Colossian Creator, you have the ability to mold and shape your AI avatar into an embodiment of your unique vision. From sleek and elegant to quirky and charismatic, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Let's start by selecting the perfect avatar for your presentation. You can choose from a wide range of virtual characters, each with its own unique style and personality. Whether you prefer a professional look or a more casual vibe, there's an avatar that suits your needs. Craft every detail of your AI avatar's appearance, from their captivating eyes to their enchanting smile. Tailor their physical attributes, clothing, and accessories, ensuring they embody the essence of your creative vision. Montage of AI avatars engaging in various activities, such as hosting shows, teaching, and entertaining. Once your script is ready, it's time to hit that record button. The AI presenter tool will guide you through the recording process. Simply read your script naturally, and let your AI presenter bring your words to life. For an AI avatar, you might want to choose a background music track that is modern, futuristic, and energetic, while also maintaining a sense of professionalism and sophistication. Here are a few music genres and styles that could work well. Remember to choose music that complements the overall tone and style of your AI avatar's content. It's also important to ensure that the music you select is royalty-free or properly licensed for use in your videos to avoid any copyright issues.
Welcome to the Colossian Creator. Today we're going to learn how to add different backgrounds and transitions to your videos, following just some simple steps. Click on the Background tab and select from the different background categories. You can select your favorite color. When you are on the Background tab, you can also select footages that you like from our stock library. You can also upload your own background media or use our screen recording feature. Once you have selected your background image, you can add filters or blur to them to enhance your video quality even further. On the Transition tab, you can select the different styles of transitions, where you can apply them individually to each scene or to all scenes with one click only. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.
Welcome to the Colossian Creator. Today we are going to learn how to create your first AI video, following just some simple steps. First, click under the Actor tab and scroll through the different variety of actors and select the one that you think is best. After you have selected your desired actor, under the Appearance tab you can select on how you would like your actor to be presented. After selecting the appearance, you have two ways of positioning your actor. One is with buttons on the side, or you can simply drag it to your desired location in the canvas. Once you have positioned your actor, you can use the order buttons to position it in front of shapes, texts, media, and other stuff. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.
Welcome to the Colossian Creator. Today we are going to learn how to use and edit voices, following just some simple steps. When you paste your script, the language will be selected automatically. You can then choose between the different variety of accents under the Accents section. Right after selecting your preferred accent, you can select the voice style you like. By default, it is set to warm, but feel free to choose the one you like. Once you are happy with the accent and the voice style of your actor, under the Show Advanced settings, you can adjust the pause, pitch, and speed of your script to suit your needs. When you paste your script, the language will be selected automatically. You can then choose between the different variety of accents under the Accents section. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.
So, dare to dream big, unleash your creativity, and step into the extraordinary world of Colossian Creator. The future is in your hands, and your AI avatar is waiting to make its mark on the world. Begin your journey today and let your imagination soar. Join the ranks of visionary creators who have embraced the Colossian Creator revolution. From content creators and educators to storytellers and influencers, they have harnessed the power of AI avatars to captivate audiences and leave an indelible mark on the digital landscape.